everyone. Today I'll be talking about um, a budget-friendly setup that you can use for your house fellowship, your small church, maybe a small organization. You don't really need a lot of money to like buy high-end equipment. With just a few things, you can be able to do um, quite a standard setup with sound, good sound, the mic and all that with mic, everything working. The computer. We're just using OBS Studio. You will need a small mixer. I'm using the Yamaha F4 USB, and then you also need maybe depending on the instruments, you need maybe a keyboard, drum, which are not too expensive, and then you can even use a mobile phone. So I'll just teach you like how to go about it, and then the setup process, even projecting script, you can even project scriptures, everything, use multiple, even phones, cameras, whatever you want to use with the software. Let's dive into it. So first of all, you will need to um, download OBS Studio in your internet browser. So I'm using Microsoft Edge. You can use Google Chrome or any other one. And then type OBS Studio. And then you can click latest update depending on the machine you're using. I'll click accept. Then look at the website very well. You see obsproject.com as downloads. That's the official website for OBS Studio. It's also free, so you don't need to pay any money for it. So just click Windows. You can click Mac, any Linux, any operating system you're using. Depending on that, you just so I'm using Windows. Then scroll down, and then you can download in zip, the BitTorrent, but I'll be using the installer because that one is faster and easier. Okay, once it's done downloading, click open file. You want to allow this app to make changes to your device. Not sure it appeared on the screen, but it appeared on mine. So that prompt to come. Then you continue with the setup to guide you through. So just follow. I have OBS Studio already. In fact, that's one it's already running because I already have it. So continue in this stage, but just follow next, and then you'll be done. You finish everything. I'm currently recording with the software, so it's really convenient, and I'm recording from my wireless mic. So once everything is done, you have this. You have an empty scene first, but I have like already set everything up. So what is a scene? I'm sure you'll be seeing scenes. But what at all is a scene? And then the software looking for a phone or that. So the software I use to connect the phone to the laptop is called Irene Webcam, which also can be downloaded via the site. So you can also go and then download it. So once everything is like done, you have a setup like this. So to adjust your settings, just come to settings, and then you notice I have two audios. So the first one is default, and that's the one that I'm talking with right now, the one on my chin, on my neck, sorry. So that's the one I'm using, and then there's the USB audio device, which you later get to know. That's the one that contains the microphone, like the instruments you'll be using for the setup. Let's come to the audio setup. So just making sure everything is on point before I move straight in. So let's move straight into the audio setup. They'll come to the video. Once you have the audio machine, just need to get some things sorted out. So I've also connected it to my keyboard as well, so you hear the sound, the keyboard. But with this, first of all, to get the sound into your computer, depending on like the type of mixer you use, you need a cable that can move the sound, an output cable that can move the sound from your mixer to your computer. So I got this cable which moves my sound, which transfers the sound from the mixer to the laptop. So that's all, like basically it's almost all my videos. So it's really good. So don't really need a high end budget like so many gadgets to get your sound from your mixer. So you just get the cable, get the sound, then you get a sound card as well. So this thing here, the sound card. You also need to get the sound card as well. Yeah. So that's basically what you need. And then you need a cable to move your instrument sound as well. So that's it. That's basically the setup. So this is my mic, this is my keyboard, that's the output from the mixer into the laptop. There's my headset cable to my ear. I bought a splitter so that another person too can be able to hear. Okay, so let's test the keyboard now. Hello. So you can see, as you can see, that the mic too is fully working, coming into the laptop feed as well. So as I was saying earlier, that this is a simple setup. So that's where to video and audio. So just get the OBS, set it up, and that's basically it. So now let's move to scripture projection. Let's see what we can do, connecting it to another display and all that. As I was saying earlier on, EasyWorship is very helpful. It helps you to like project songs, to project scriptures, to project. In fact, when I was back in Ghana, the media team, that's what we're using to like project scriptures, to project songs, to project like almost everything. We also had a PowerPoint for our service structure. Maybe if you don't have that, just with the EasyWorship, I'll just teach you how to use in a few steps. So if you want to use it, also have a lot of versions. When you download the first, it just comes with King James and two other Roman Christian version, and then another one. I can download more. I've downloaded a couple of versions here. So it helps you to like select. So let's see Philippians chapter 4 verse 13. So it has something called live output that shows what's your whatever scripture projecting. Then you need to get an HDMI cable with your laptop. So let me show you the connection. So right here, I have my HDMI cable connected to my TV, which is showing the scripture we're doing just now. And then we also have my laptop, which is also connected to the HDMI cable. Yeah, to put it on the screen. So that's what I do. The audience don't see what I'm doing here. The Philippians 4:15, all those things I do here, nobody is going to see. So let me show you what the audience is actually going to see. So here, if you want to fit it into your live stream, so basically you can just come here, click your monitor, and boom, it's right here. So you need two laptops, but if not, with one laptop you can still do it, but it's still in like switching and then switching back to the camera. So let's see, let me demonstrate an example. The beginning was the word and the word was God and the word was God. So can you take me to John chapter 1 verse 1? May you quickly switch here. Come to the EasyWorship, John chapter 1 verse 1. And so this is the BBE version. We can select other versions we want. So KJV, and boom. The beginning was the word was God, and the word was God. Right there on your live stream, your screen. So basically that's how like the feature projection is. So you can use EasyWorship in accordance with OBS Studio to get your live feed, and then for the sound I already showed you at the beginning. You can use this to get your instruments and your mics into your live feed. So this is basically it. So whatever you display or your TV screen, whether video, picture, the EasyWorship screen will all appear in the live feed. We're just selecting the display capture. So display capture is here as my monitor 1. I select monitor 2 and it displays whatever is displaying on the screen. For those who are watching live, watch. So I'm recording, but I can start virtual camera into a different software, or I can click start streaming. By that one, I'll have to go to settings first. If I want to stream to like Facebook or YouTube, stream, select the service. So if it's Facebook or YouTube, Facebook, go to the Facebook settings, live, then select stream key instead of select like from stream from device, select stream key, and then come copy the stream key here, and then that's basically it. You're live on Facebook, YouTube, the same thing. But the disadvantage of OBS is that so the disadvantage of OBS is that you can stream to only one streaming platform. You can't stream to multiple, unlike the expensive ones like Restream and other applications that are able to stream to multiple platforms. So that's basically it. So if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments. So I've taught you how to like reject scriptures. So still so sweet to trust in Jesus. This what your screen will be showing, but this is what the people will be seeing on their screens. On if it's Facebook Live, YouTube Live, or whatever, that's what they'll be seeing on their screen. So they'll be seeing whatever you're projecting, whether scripture or song. So scripture, different versions, BRV, Roman Christian Bible, the original King James, and so many others.